What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Marky B. We have another reaction video. You guys have been asking for this band once again, so I'm going to go ahead and do another reaction video. This time it's going to be voice of MarkBarreraz. These young ladies is a trio, a band, rock band, really good rock band from Southern Asia, Indonesia, and this one's going to be a video from, looks like a night show or Tonight Show type of show overseas. So let's just go ahead and check out this one clip. This is just a little bit of music. I think it's just instrumental, but it sounds really banging. Let's get into it right now.
Oke,
Kita lihat skill mereka seperti apa. Silakan.
Voice of MarkBarreraz.
There you go again. Once again, voice of MarkBarreraz out of Indonesia. That was a banging song, instrumental. I don't know if they have lyrics to this or not, but it almost had that Rage Against the Machine vibe to it. Love it. They were on point. They were really tight. I like the accents between the just the riffs, the drums, the sound was great. It was awesome. Voice of MarkBarreraz, awesome once again. Keep going, keep doing what you're doing. We love you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please like. Also, if you want to help support this channel, of course we can't monetize because a lot of the copyrighted music, you could go over to the Cash App and help out this channel. Guys, we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.